Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of industrial machinery, showcasing 50 impressive machines that operate at peak efficiency. From advanced manufacturing robots to high-capacity compressors, these machines represent the cutting edge of industrial technology. Let's get started. Manufacturing robots have revolutionized the industry with their precision and efficiency. Some of the most impressive models include Fanuc M2000EF, known for its powerful payload capacity and versatility. KUKA KR1000 Titan excels in handling heavy components with precision and speed. ABBYE RB8700, high performance in large-scale manufacturing processes. Yaskawa Motoman MH24, combines speed and precision for complex operations. Universal Robots UR10, a flexible collaborative robot designed to work alongside humans. CNC machines are essential in modern manufacturing. Here are some of the top models. Haas VF650S, known for its robustness and precision in machining large parts. Mazak Integrex i400, combines turning and milling capabilities in one setup. DMG Mori DMU50, offers 5-axis machining for high precision and efficiency. Akuma MU8000V, excels in complex and precise machining tasks. Doosan DNM 5700, a versatile and efficient CNC machine for various applications. 3D printing is transforming manufacturing with rapid prototyping and production capabilities. Notable machines include Stratasys F900, large build volume and high-performance materials. EOS M400, metal 3D printer offering precision and efficiency. HP Jet Fusion 5200, high-speed, quality parts production. Markforged X7, combines strength and precision for industrial use. Formlabs Form 3L, high-resolution printing for large-scale projects. Laser cutters provide precision and speed. Here are some top performers. Trumpf True Laser 5030 Fiber, speed and precision in cutting various materials. Bystronic by Smart Fiber 3015, high cutting speeds and efficiency. Amada LCG 3015AJ, advanced technology with precise cutting. Mazak Optiplex 3015 Fiber, high-speed cutting with accuracy. Trotec SP 2000, versatile and efficient in cutting a range of materials. Material handling systems enhance industrial operations. Impressive systems include Daifuku Automated Storage and Retrieval Systems ASRS optimizes storage and retrieval. Dematic Multishuttle, high-speed material handling efficiency. Swisslog AutoStore. Compact, efficient storage system. Intelligrated conveyor systems. Seamless material transport. Fives Intralogistics systems. Advanced automation and efficiency. Packaging machines streamline production. Notable models are Bosch Pack 403, versatility in high-speed packaging. Ishida Inspira, advanced technology for precise packaging. Multivac T800, speed and precision in various packaging applications. Sealed Air Cryovac BL75, high-performance packaging. ULM-ATFS 700, advanced features and efficient packaging. Printing presses are crucial for high-volume tasks. Here are some leading models. Heidelberg Speedmaster XL106, speed and quality in large-scale printing. Komori Lithrone G40, high productivity and print quality. KBA Rapida 106, efficiency and advanced features. Manroland Roland 700 Evolution, advanced technology and high-speed printing. Ryobi 920 series. Versatility and efficiency in printing. Injection molding machines produce plastic parts. Here are some top machines. Arberg Allarounder 1120H, efficiency and precision in molding. Engel Duo 550, advanced features and high productivity. Haitian Mars 2 series, energy efficiency and high performance. Sumitomo Demag Intellect, precision and efficiency in molding. Nisei NEXIV, advanced technology and efficiency. Compressors power industrial tools and systems. Here are some efficient models. Atlas Copco GA VSD Plus, energy efficiency and high performance. Ingersoll Rand R series, advanced features and efficiency. Kaiser Sigma Air Manager 4.0, advanced technology and efficiency. Gardner Denver Ultima, energy efficiency and performance. Compare L series, advanced features and efficiency. Robotics and automation are transforming industries. Here are some advanced systems. AdYumi, collaborative robot with precision and efficiency. CRX-10EA, advanced technology and high performance. Kuka Iiwa, flexibility and efficiency in collaborative tasks. Universal Robots UR5, advanced features and high efficiency. Yaskawa HC10, precision and efficiency in automation. These 50 impressive industrial machines highlight the technological advancements driving our industries forward. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.